Have you ever been in a situation where you had a very busy day at work, having a good time at home, or just chilling with friends and family, and then hunger pangs wants to ruin your day? And you don't want to leave your current location? We've got you! Now you can order your best meals from your favorite restaurant here in Asaba. And worry, just download our mobile app from Google or iOS Store. Sign up and have your food delivered in less than 30 minutes. It's fast, reliable, and easy. How to fund your Olili account. We know online payment most times can be really frustrating. That's why we have 3 payment options on the OliliFood app. Log into your Olili app, go to profile, click on add funds. You will find 3 payment options. The first, my OliliFood wallet account. You copy and pay into your unique virtual account. The second, fund with ATM card. The third, company bank account. Copy and pay directly to your bank account. You can pay with any option easiest for you.
How to place an order on OliliFood app. Log in to your OliliFood app. Scroll through the homepage for variety. Click on favorite vendor. Click on food of choice. Add as much sides and extras as you want. Click Add to Cart to continue shopping. Click the Checkout button if done. Set delivery address. Add your desired address for delivery. Add a phone number to get notified when your food arrives.
Add a more detailed address.
Click on Save. Look through your order details one more time. Proceed to place order. Order complete. Your food will arrive shortly. OliliFood. Sweet food, fast delivery.